and welcome to my channel. My name is Sandy and this is the Sister Cousins Lifestyle channel. Today I'm upstairs in my family room area and I'm super excited that I am going to be decorating a brand new bar cart. Now, if you have watched my channel before, you know I have a thing for beverage carts. I already have 2 in my home, and thanks to YITAHOME, I now have my 3rd one. I am so excited to be partnering with YITAHOME on this video, and I'm going to share what this lovely bar cart is all about. So keep watching if you'd like to see how it turns out. Now the cart comes in this box. It's packaged as you would expect a heavy piece to come with padding around it and everything. And the piece is absolutely beautiful. It is an industrial style and it's made out of this rustic wood, and it's got a metal frame, which I really like because it's not flimsy at all. It's very, very sturdy piece. So the instructions that come with it are very, very good if you follow them. And if you're not watching a football game while you're putting it together, it probably takes about maybe 45 minutes to an hour to put it together. It does come with many, many pieces, but they are clearly labeled so that you're able to put it together nicely. Now it has racks for your wine. It also has some racks for wine glasses, and the top of the shelf actually lifts out and it's like a removable serving tray, which is really cool. Now here's the piece all put together, and like I said, it is a very substantial piece. I really, really like it. You see the handles there on the side, which enables you to lift the top off and use it as a removable serving tray. Before I get started with decorating, I have to give it a nice clean off with my method cleaner, just to shine up the wood and make sure any of the residue or whatever is not on there, and then I can get into the fun part, which is styling it. Now each of the wine racks holds approximately 4 nice sized wine glasses, red wine glasses. You can get 4 on each side for a total of 8, which is pretty nice. If you have the smaller wine glasses, you probably can get 5 on each side for a total of 10. But there's plenty of space in addition to the racks to line up glasses if you need to or want to do that as well. So I'm going ahead here and just adding a few pieces of decor just to kind of see how I want this bar cart to look. And as with any other decorations, I always start one way and it ends up totally different. But keep watching so you see how it turns out. And now this bar cart is available on Amazon through the YITAHOME store. So again, I will be linking that in the description box. This is a beautiful, beautiful piece. Very, very heavy duty. I was quite surprised at the quality of it. It also holds 4 bottles of wine in the holders there, and then you have 3 shelves for other bar essentials that you need. Now I'm looking at these plates here. The red and white ones with the big red ring around them are from Dollar Tree, and then the peppermint ones are from Hobby Lobby. And I'm just toying around with the ideal of putting them on the cart, but you will see in a moment that I did something totally different with them. So this is my family room, and this place is by no means a formal space. It's rarely decorated because it is truly for lounging, but I decided to go ahead and decorate a tablescape up here. And this is my wooden piece that I picked up at Home Goods back in the fall. I am really enjoying this piece. It is so versatile. So I just put a few picks in there and just use that as my centerpiece. I have my plates here that are from Dollar Tree, and the bowls are also from Dollar Tree. And I just decided to set up a nice quick tablescape, which I think is absolutely beautiful and so very festive to match with the tree and now the bar cart. So here we are here to see how I finalize the bar cart. I did not put a lot on here at all. I have my toy soldiers there that I actually got from Hobby Lobby and just spray painted them black. And then my shaker there, this candle here I thought was super cute. They had it at Home Goods. I think they were $7.99. Now I had seen them on Pottery Barn and I believe they were like $40. So I was thrilled to be able to find one at the at-home store, not the at-home store, Home Goods. And so, yeah, this is the new bar cart. I'm super excited. And like I said, this lid does come off of here, so that if you want to use it as a serving tray, you can do that. But this is a beautiful piece. Now, another thing I do like about this cart as well is that it does have wheels on it that turn around 360 degrees, and they do also have locks on them. So this is a very portable piece. If you need to move it to another space in your home, it's very easy to do because it has the wheels on it. So I do like that as well. So let me let you take a look around in the entire space.
Christmas lights fill the city. There are people everywhere. The snow is falling white and pretty as I stroll on my way to you. How will you feel about packing up today? Leave this all behind. Go get snowed in somewhere, you and me. I would rather be somewhere with you, without TV or phone.
All right, again, I would like to thank YITAHOME for sending me this bar cart. I absolutely love it and am enjoying it already. So special thanks to them. I'll be linking all the information in the description box below if you are interested in checking out. They have other items to offer as well. And if you are a new viewer to my channel, welcome to the channel. I'm so happy you stopped by today, and I hope you will consider hitting that subscribe button before you leave today, as well as the notification bell. If you are a family member and you are returning, thank you so much for coming back by. I do appreciate you. I hope to see each and every one of you over here on my next video. Bye-bye.